Joe here. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up your own Minecraft server in under 5 minutes. This is completely free and it runs off your own computer, so you don't have to worry about paying anybody and you can still play with your friends. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the first link in the description, which is uTorrent. Download it or go to the other platforms. Get the standard or stable build. After you download that, X out of this. Alright, so I'll give you a few seconds to do that. And then the next thing we're going to do is go to dl.bukkit.org. This will also be the second link in the description. Just download the build that you want. Mine, in my case, is 179. So I already downloaded it. And yeah. So once you download it, just X out again. Now we're going to minimize all this. And we have our craft bucket right here. We're going to want to rename it to craft bucket. As so. Alright. After we do this, we're going to create a new folder. I'll actually delete this folder. Let me just create a new one called tutorial. Alright. Did I spell that wrong? Doesn't matter. So we're just going to want to drag craft bucket in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to run craft bucket. We should get 2 files to pop up. Alright, there we go. So after we did that, we're going to want to make a new text document called run, or actually just leave it, my bad. We're going to want to open it, and then we're going to want to go to our third link description, and if you're Windows, you use this code. If you are Linux, you use this code. If you are Mac, you use this code. I am on Windows, so I use this code. And just a little side note, if you're trying to make this a cracked server, which I do not recommend, but if you are, just get rid of -O true. So just delete this, and make sure you have pause. So just get rid of -O true if you want to be cracked. So we're going to want to go to our notepad and paste that in our notepad. So I'm not using cracked, so I want to keep it, but like I said, if you want to be cracked, just delete that. So after we did that, we're going to do file save as. We're going to make it an all file as the type. And then we're going to name it run.bat. And then the encoding is ANSI as usual. So just save, and then X out because we saved it. And that should be right in our folder, which it is. We could get rid of new text documents because we don't need that anymore. So when we have run, we're going to come up with an error. See, it says perhaps server is ready running on that port. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to uTorrent. And then once we go here, you're going to go to options, preferences, connection. You're going to have some random port like maybe this or this, I don't know. But what you want to change it to is the default Minecraft Quarry port, which is 25565. You want to click apply, then OK. Then we can X out of uTorrent. And now we're still going to get that error when we run it. Which we should. Alright, good. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to open a command prompt. CMD. What you're going to type in is ipconfig, which is ipconfig. So then we're going to hit enter, and it's going to all be blurred out on this side, guys. Sorry, I just want to be kind of secure. So after we did that, we're going to want to find our IPv4 address. I believe they all start with 192.168. So mine does too. So what we're going to do is we're going to open our server notepad document. And that's what we're going to type in. I memorized mine. It's not long at all. So after we did that, I'm just going to double check it. Yep. Alright, looks good to me. So when we did that, we're going to do file, save. Alright, let's minimize everything. Except for this, we're going to run it one more time and see what happens. Alright, now we're working. This is loading up your server. We are so close to being done, guys. If you got this far, congratulations. You're running your own server. But you have one step to go, which is actually knowing what you need to connect with. What is your IP? So you're going to go to Google. and type in I cannot talk today, guys, and type in what is my IP. In no websites, just type it in Google, and then it will pop up right here. This will be blurred out again. So I'm going to Control-C it, copy it, and then we'll X out. We'll minimize. Whenever you want to play on your server, you minimize it. You just minimize everything. We'll run Minecraft. Play. And I already have a server on this IP, so it might not work for me, but I guarantee it will work for you. If it doesn't work for me, I'll use my other server. But, okay. We're going to want to do in our IP. Done. And yes, it works. We have our own server, guys. Oh my god, please shut up. Alright, guys, so we just got our own server. We could do whatever we want. We could explore that village. We could do anything. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to, just because it's like a regular this type video. So now we have our own server. But let's try some commands. What? We don't have permission. It's our server. So what we're going to do is we're going to go open our command prompt. And this is your server console. So we're going to type op Joe likes chicken, which is my name. No slashes in console. So now I have permission to slash game mode 1. And now I'm in my own world. Let's put wool everywhere. So yeah, this is how we have our own Minecraft server, guys. Thank you so much for watching. But before we go, I'm going to teach you how to stop it. I forgot about that one. So to stop your server correctly, do not X out. You're going to have to type stop in console. And it's going to say server closed. And that's how you have your own server, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I did not forget anything this time. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, and drop a comment what else you want me to see. If you guys want to, I'll do a how to install Bukkit plugins through your own server, and that will be really fun, guys. Thank you so much again. I'll see you guys later.